In this video, we are going to see how to blur the background of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, you have to open a picture. So you can go on File, Open, and you select a photo. From here, then you click on Open, and you will have it here. If you notice on the bottom right here, there is a lock icon over here, and you will have to click on it, sorry. This way you can unlock the editing of the picture you just opened. As you can see, the name changed from background to layer 0. So this will be our starting point. Now you have to select the layer and click on Select and click on Subject. It will take a while, but then you can see that Photoshop selected the subject in the picture, which is the one in, closer to the camera. At this point, you have to go here at the bottom right. Duplicate the layer, so you can click with the right button of your mouse, duplicate layer, and you can rename it as you want, layer 1. And with layer 1 selected, you can click on this icon over here. As you can see now, if you try to hide the other layer, the starting point, you can click on the eye icon here. If you try to hide it, what remains here is just the subject. So at this point, we have isolated the subject, and you have to select layer 0, and then we are going to blur this layer 0, that will be the background. You have to click on Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, then you select the radius as you want. I will keep 5. As you can already see, here is already blurred. You can play here with the blurriness. How much blurry do you want it? I'm happy with 5. Then you can click on OK, and that's it. So you just created a blur background in Adobe Photoshop. Then at this point, you can export your photo with File, Export, Export As. You can select the file format. If you want a PNG or a JPEG, you can select the width, the height, the scale, whatever you want here. And then you click on Export, and the photo will be automatically saved on your computer. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!